Everyone, I'm here to discuss what is Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is all about overview of basic programming. Nowadays, computers are able to perform many different tasks, from simple mathematical operation to sophisticated animated simulation. But the computer does not create these tasks by itself. These are performed following a series of predefined instructions that conform what we call a program. A computer does not have enough creativity to make tasks which it has not been programmed for. So it can only follow the instruction of program which it has been programmed to run. Those in charge of generating programs so that the computers may perform new tasks are known as program or coders, who for that purpose use a programming language. Now, let's talk about what is program. The word program is used in two ways. One, to describe individual instruction or source code created by the programmer. Two, describe an entire piece of executable software. Let's talk about compiler versus interpreter. Compiler characteristics spends a lot of time analyzing and processing the program. The resulting executable is some form of machine-specific binary code. The computer hardware interprets the resulting code. Program execution is fast. Interpreter characteristics. Relatively little time is spent analyzing and processing the program. The resulting code is some sort of intermediate code. The resulting code is interpreted by another program. Program execution is relatively slow. Programming process. All programming involves creating something that solves a problem. The problems can range from something of great scientific or national importance through to something as trivial as relieving personal boredom. Programming process consists of 5 steps. These are really only guidelines that have come to be recognized as being part of writing good, easily understood, and useful computer programs. 1. Define the problem. The programmer prepares a problem statement outlining the answer of the following question. What is the job to be done? What is the input data to be processed? How is the data to be processed? And what is the desired format of the output? Analyzing the problem. A plan of action is prepared describing the processing sequence of the operation. The plan may be in the form of a decision table or a flowchart. 3. Code the program. The sequence of operations contained in the flowchart is translated into a set of instructions written by symbolic language like COBOL, BASIC, C, C++, etc. This program is then loaded into the memory of a computer where a compiler program translates this set of instructions into a machine-readable form. And test the program. Programs are tested to locate and correct programming errors or bugs. Programming errors are due to clerical errors and logical errors. We have here a types of error, which is compile time error or syntax error and runtime error. Is document the program. All data pertaining to a program are collected, organized, and recorded. A complete document gives the following advantage. Simplifies program revision, enables another programmer to modify or maintain the program, facilitate the operation of the program by the operator, minimizes need for major program overhaul. Finish the module, we have here definition of terms: coding, programming, compilation, debugging, and code. Coding is the act of translating the design into an actual program. Programming is then the task of describing your design to the computer. Compilation is actually the process of turning the program written in a in some programming language into the instruction made up of zeros and ones that the computer can actually follow. Debugging is a simply the task of looking at the original program, identifying the mistakes, correcting the code, and recompiling it code. The instruction in a computer program. And that's all for Module 1. Thank you.